This is a national emergency for the Commune of France. One nuke from a unknown location is heading toward Paris and all the other nukes are not hitting anywhere in the Commune of France. These nukes are believed to be from the California girls. If a California girl sees you in their sight, they will turn you into a California girl. If you're a boy, your male parts get removed and replaced with all female parts, and all your boys' items in your entire house are burned and replaced with girls' items. They will also paint your entire house pink, including your new female-only furniture, and you will be forced to only wear ripped jeans, floppy hats, and slouchy sweaters. The look is well within your reach clothes for the rest of your life. Avoid having this happen to you at all costs.
This is a national emergency for Malaysia. Please stand by. Nuclear attack warning for the following areas: all of Malaysia. The California girls have launched nukes toward every state and federal territory. First impact states are the following states: Kedah, Kelantan, Perak, Perlis, Penang, Terengganu, and Sabah. First impact is expected in 8 minutes. Secondary impact states are the following states: Negeri Sembilan, Pahang, and Selangor. Secondary impact is expected in 11 minutes. Tertiary impact states are the following states: Johor, Malacca, and Sarawak. Nukes will all hit in 10 seconds. Since they have sped up, it is too late to evacuate. All cities being targeted. The nukes are coming. They have sped up. It is too late to evacuate. All cities being targeted. The nukes are coming.